I'm gonna show you what I bought in what do you call this? In Platinum Kurugtong Platinum Market at Platinum Mall, Kurugtong, and mostly this is from what do you call that? I forgot the name. Ano daw? Daydreamers? Dreamers? Basta. Okay, here's what I got sa Platinum area. That is more! Ayaw mo ayos ah. Yan. So, first, 100 baht. Hindi ko na tanggal ko. Counter pain, analgesic balm for joints and muscle pains. Prickly heat sand brand for a cooling powder. I got 2 of the original cooling powder scent, 2 of the wild Sanaka. Iba din to, anti-acne and brighter skin. Orange one. And then the lavender are, okay. Prickly heat cooling powder naman. Ganun lang ba siya. So, 6 siya lahat for 100 baht. Next. Ano yung receipt? Ano ko ito naman? Hindi ko alam yung receipt. Oh no, where's the receipt? Ayan. So, at di ko siya mabasa. Paano ko ba? Ba't ko hinanap? Hindi ko mabasa. I think 39 to. Itong herbal inhaler orange. But, mo siya. Then, this one, the original one, which is more like famous here in Thailand. I got 2. Lastly, this another variant. I don't know what, but it has, I don't know, rooster chicken. I don't know what that is. So, and I got 3 of those inhalers. And this one. This is a price of 99 baht. Tama ba? Inhalers naman siya, yung pinapasok sa ilong. Anyways. And then, lastly, is the cooling mist. Same from this prickly heat powder, but in a spray form. Which is, ano na siya? That Yakult. Next is, this is outside of, ano nga yun ulit? Yung store na bilhin natin ko? Ito.
Platinum.
No, the other one. December. Nalala ko, daydream yung nalala. So, ito sa Kruto naman, 2 scarf for mom and for me. Kasi, why not? Like daughter, like mother. And then, this elephant pants, which I like. And they're comfy. This is at a price of 100. This one is 50 each. So, this is 200 from the Krutong. And for the 100 baht store, 574 baht. Okay, next. For December, sa labas. I don't know what that is. Sa, naman to? Sa Kali-Kali. These Coords. Okay natin.
Platinum area.
Yeah, Platinum Market, basta dun. So, yan.
Platinum Market.
The shade of navy blue, which I will be using for my cruise. Yeah, that one. Yes. Yeah. Next, I'll be dealing with that later. Then next is this one. 2 shorts. I definitely wanted to buy 3. Gusto ko ng black. Kaso parang sobra na. May black naman na. Ano dun? Shorts. So, why not? This one na lang. So, I got the nude or the brown shade. What's that?
Butter bun.
And this white one. Because ang hirap kong maghanap ng shorts sa Pinas. Or, ano lang talaga ako. Too lazy. Hi, people. Hi. Sorry, I'm vlogging. It's ano.
Vlog mo hindi post.
Isend ko to sa ano. Jowa ko. Tapos, ito ay pumasok ng bottle. Yan. So, meron na ito isukat. Dalawa. For price of 250 each. So, another 500. The next is this one. My skirt that I've been wanting to. Been looking. I know na meron to sa Pilipinas. But, I don't know why. But,
Mahaba na dapat.
meron to ganito sa Pilipinas na bibili. But,
Siguro hindi ganyan ka na.
hindi ko na lang mabili. So, yeah. That, skirt. And then, another, last. Ito is 250 and this one is 200. So, you do the math. You total lang. So, this is a denim. I thought it's a skirt, but it's a skirt pala. It looks like a skirt, but it's a short. See, may hat sa gitna. So, that's it. That's it for my haul for day 1 in Thailand. Bye. Bye.